Diba ba, medyo yun nga po na sa talo na po lang po yung nangyari.
Lack of production sa import namin talaga. Kaya tayong pinakamababang production niya right now. So, shows talagang physical defense. Hirap kami sa kanya. But still, yung mga locals naman nag-contribute. More adjustment pa talaga.
Are you planning na po ba na medyo magkaroon ng palit sa import at this point?
We're planning, pero yung sunod-sunod na araw kasi, I don't know kung aabot pa. But for now, adjustment namin is on the next game. Either we have an import or not, I will make sure na ma-maximize ko yung mga locals. Because it's only 2 days, malabo naman makakuha. So if we will not perform during next game, labas. Sugalan na namin yung locals namin. Doon na lang siguro.
Dok, kumpiyansa pa rin po ba kayo about your playoff chances?
I don't know kung ano pa. Hindi gustuin man namin, hindi kami napupunta doon. What I told you, siguro ang daming problem na sinusolve. First, yung chemistry ng mga bata, which unti-unti nandun naman, dumarating na. But yung problem, yung delivery naman ng imports namin na naging problema ngayon. So, we didn't expect na as low as this yung i-deliver niya. So, ano pa, we need to adjust now kung what we have. Doon na lang muna ang focus. One game at a time. Focus on the next game with the token toss.
Token text pa yan, ball 3.
Yes. So, I'll make an adjustment. Kung hindi magpe-perform, susugalan na namin yung mga locals namin. Doon na kami magpo-focus.
Kausap niyo po ba siya?
Wala yan, wala nang adjustment na. Meaning, tanggapin mo na kung ano meron.